Suck belly button to spine. Push it up through your scapula. If you find that your wrists are painful, you can curl your fingers to take the pressure away a little bit. And bird dog, full bird dog, is using both arm and leg, but without rocking. If you find that you rock, then just start off by doing arms. And then you can progress to just legs. And then once you've nailed legs, you can do arms and legs. Or you can go to sliding out, supporting yourself, and then changing. So you're staying on the ground, touching with the hand and the foot. You could then go out, up, down, back in, before you even consider